All right, guys, welcome to Kitchen Daddy. This week we're making beautiful caramelized scallops with green beans and broccoli in a wonderful chili and garlic oyster sauce. Guys, this is super quick, so come on, let's get into it. Right, to kick things off, we're going to walk through all the ingredients because, as you all know, cooking Chinese food is all about prepping first, then cooking it nice and quick. So, in the saucepan here, I've got some chicken stock. That's coming up to the boil. Now, over here, we've got some green beans and some broccoli, and about 4 or 5 cloves of garlic, which we've roughly chopped. And then we've got our oyster sauce, our Chinese cooking wine, and some peanut oil as well. So, let's bring that chicken stock up to the boil. And I'm gonna get the frying pan on here on a screaming hot heat. Now, I'm using the frying pan, guys, because it's so much easier to film this directly, so you guys get to see more what's going on. If I've got a wok, sometimes you can't get the angles as a one-man band, and we've got to do this nice and quick. So I want you guys to see everything that's going on. Anyway, right, that's boiling. Let's get our broccoli and the green beans in. We're going to cook them for about 2 minutes. I just want them coming up to a rapid boil until they become lovely, bright and green. Okay, they look great, so let's pour them into a sieve. Make sure you save some of that chicken stock because we're going to add that to the sauce. And now we can add a good splash of peanut oil into the pan. Let's add in the garlic and a good pinch of chili flakes as well. Let's move that around. Okay, now let's get the broccoli and the green beans in. Okay, we need to give that a good toss. Let's make sure they're all completely coated. And now we're going to add in our Chinese cooking wine. Okay, so just a splash like that. And let's grab our oyster sauce as well. Okay, so we need a good few glugs of that. It's probably about 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, or 1.5 tablespoons. And we're just gonna pour in a little bit of chicken stock there. Okay, that looks absolutely great. Let's clear the decks. I've got a serving plate here, and we're just going to pour that onto the serving plates. Now, let's get the pan back on that high heat. I want them absolutely screaming hot. I'm going to grab the scallops from the fridge. Right, here we go. Now, we need to season these up with some salt and black pepper. Okay, let's add a good splash more of peanut oil in the pan. Now let's get those scallops down, seasoned side down first of all, and then go around the edge of the frying pan. Okay, these have had 1 minute. Now we're going to cook these for about 1 minute on each side. So let's give them a flip over. And what we're looking for, guys, is that beautiful golden brown caramelization. That is just going to bring out so much sweetness in the scallop. So really do take your time to do that. The green beans and all of that, they're going to be beautifully warm still. They're going to have enough heat in them whilst we just cook these off. Okay, they look great, so let's get them onto the serving plate. Here we go, guys. Look at this. Absolutely beautiful. I cannot wait. Well, hello. You knew that was going to happen. Oh, my word. Absolutely beautiful. Scallops really are one of my favorite things in the world to eat. And what we got here, guys, is we've got this beautiful garlic oyster sauce, a little bit of chili coming through there. Oh, that is heaven. And as soon as you have the sweetness and the caramelization of the scallops, okay, absolutely perfect. Right, guys, thumbs up, get in the comments, let me know what you think. I am going to enjoy the rest of this. See you next week. Take care. Bye-bye.